Hello guys, welcome back to this Python course, and today we are going to discuss about the string slicings in Python. Yes, and in the last topic we just saw about the strings, about the string slicings. In this video, now we're going to see about what is the string slicing. String slicing is nothing but a slicing a string in between or a middle. Okay, so let us get into this video, and we are just have a string A, and in A we just having my name. Okay, sorry. Or we have YouTube channel name. Yeah, we just have the name Abipravi, and here what I just going to do is just going to slice the string and print it. So print of A, we're just going to slice the string. Okay, from so this will be the from value, and this will be the to value. So how we find? So how we slice this? So the I want the string to be sliced from here and to the P. Okay. So I just assigning 0 to 3, and if I run this code, you're able to see that A B I is printed. And this is the n minus 1. I already told that all the ending values or the two values or the ending values will be n minus 1. Okay, so here also the n minus 1. This is 3 minus 1 will be 2. So this 0, 1, and 2, and will be sliced and printed. Okay, so what if you want all the numbers after the 3? So we have idea. So we just want to print all the numbers after the index of 2, and it will print up to Previ. So if I run this code, it will print sorry after 3. So now if I run this code, we can able to see that it print. So what if I want the, like, wait a second, I want up to the last index. So if you put AB print, okay, so then minus 1 will be here and the top to 6 will be printed. Okay, so this is the string slicing. So instead of this kind of string slicing, what if you put in for I in range of length of A? Okay, so a range of a length of some I. From here we just from here we just having a string slicing. So like kind of values. Oh, how we slice this? Print of A of I, sorry, I from, how we print? We just print I from I, or we just print 0 from I. Okay, and here if you run this code, you can able to see that is a is not printed. So why a is printed? Because you're using a for loop, isn't it? For loop will be executed like this is some kind of values. So instead of 1, we just put I. Okay, after reading the code, you can able to see AB, ABI, ABIP, ABIPR, ABIPR A, ABIPR AB. So just printed. So if you put I plus 1, you can able to see ABI, ABIP, ABIPR, ABIPR A, ABIPR AB, ABIPR ABI. It's just printed. So like that, the code is executed. Sorry, ABI, ABI, so just printing. Okay, so we just also use these kind of string slicings for some pattern printings. For example, if I put a star here instead of, okay, sorry, if I put a star here, so in the pattern printing, which is for the loops, is in loops like nested loops, isn't it? So for that, instead of that, we just use it for pattern printing also. So like for not for here, so instead of length of, we just take 4, and you can able to see. So why this is comma end is equal to 4 stars. Okay, so we just use these to print a sequence of statements. Maybe length of A and I just remove this. So this will be work only on strings. Sorry, I just underestimated it. Okay, what is there? Sorry, this is the case sensitive, but also case sensitive. Okay, so the code executed successfully with any errors. Okay, friends. So this is the string slicing functions. And the one more thing you need to study. So I will show you the PDF also here. So like what this means. Wait a second. Okay. So from here you're able to see that the string slices. So this is where I'm showing. And on the other hand, you can able to see that there are some functions which is having in the strings. Okay, so what are these functions? We just open the functions in the string slicings. Wait a second, I'm just going to open. Okay. So this is the string functions, such kind of string functions, which we are going to say about. So I have given this documentation in the description box. So if you want this documentation and if you want to work on the strings, such strings like this kind of strings, if you want to work on, so you can able to download the documentations and you can learn some of the new concepts of the strings. Okay. So not only there are so many in strings. Okay. If you just type the topic in strings or okay, wait a second. I show the moderators. Okay. So if you go to S in the topic of S, if you just select string, you're able to see that there are so many topics involved in the strings. Okay, so in each every topic you have some kind of okay. If you want to align the string, okay, formatting literal strings. So each and every topic is interlinked at this module. Okay, so this is some big module you can able to find. So where you can able to find this module? Okay, so for finding this module, just open start and in start type Python module documentation 3.8 and 32-bit or else just open command prompt and you're able to see that this Python 3.8 module docs 32-bit and here just open it and after opening it you're able to see that localhost 52546. Okay, just copy this and after which just open the browser, just you have it. Okay, and paste the address and click on enter. We have to find the input modules and what are the modules which the Python inbuilt having. Okay, we have to also see the email. If you want to send the email, you have the email module, and if you want select by topics, we can able to select by topics here and in the topics you can able to find the string slicings. So this is the string slicings but here they did not explain in detailed manner, so for that purpose only I just used the make this video to explain the strings in the detailed manner. Okay, so in the next video we're just going to see about the real world project which is used for the email slicing and which is the most used projects in IT sectors or which is the projects which the Python learners will actually do. So I'll see you in the next video.